Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to edit your Facebook stories. So I will walk through how to edit your Facebook stories and manage story highlights on your Facebook profile in 2025. So step 1 is creating or viewing your story. Simply navigate to Facebook, click on create a story button and that will take you to this page where you'll have your gallery opened. Now you'll have to simply choose a picture and you will have these options available on your story to edit. So you get the option for stickers where you can click on the stickers option and easily add your picture, location of this place, the weather, the time, GIF, music, events and tag anyone by clicking on this button. You can add your feelings, donate and add a poll for questioning. You can add an avatar or question or just add these emojis if you want. After doing this, you can add text by clicking on the text button and adding any kind of text that you want to type. After adding that text, click on done. Now, you can also click on the music option and add any kind of music you want. For example, I will add Aphex Twin. So you can add any kind of music you want and then click on this button, that is this filter button. When you click there, you will see different kind of circles appearing at the bottom. You can just scroll to the right to select any kind of appearance or filter for this story. After choosing the perfect filter, you can easily click on this draw button and now you have the ability to draw anything you want on this story. So you can type in anything you want on this story screen or you can just remove it pretty easily. Click on done. Now you also get the option to tag people here. You can click on tag people and add any kind of person you want to add here and click on done. You can also click on the link option and add a link that you want your viewers to be sent to if they click there. After doing this, you can click on share icon and choose the privacy for this story, whether you want this story to be shown to your friends, public or yourself. After doing this, you can easily share this if you want. Note that once the story is posted, you cannot change the content, but you can adjust the visibility and delete if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to fully edit your Facebook stories and set up story highlights like a pro in 2025. It's a great way to make your content more engaging and keep your favorite moments on display. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.